Hi guys, my name is Maipelo Tshoso. I'm 20 years old. I've been modeling for the past about 2-3 years. I've been entering beauty contests and stuff like that, but this is going to be my first actual modeling, not beauty contest kind of thing. My favorite international designer would be Louis Vuitton. I just love them. I think they're fabulous. And I love Tyra. She's the person that I really love and hopefully get to meet. And because I believe that she speaks of beauty not just because somebody's tall and they can do what. She looks at the beauty, the outer side of beauty. Like, it's not only about being tall and beautiful and stuff like that, but she looks at other aspects of modeling and beauty. That's why I love her. So I'd love for you guys to vote for me because I am fabulous and I love modeling. I have always loved modeling for as long as I can remember. And yes.